Welcome to today's video on starting a truck dispatch business in the USA. If you're considering entering the world of truck dispatching, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through the essential steps to set up a successful truck dispatch business, so grab a pen and paper and let's get started. First and foremost, you'll need to understand the trucking industry and the role of a truck dispatcher. Dispatchers are the vital link between truck drivers and customers, managing schedules, routes, and ensuring that goods are delivered on time. Familiarize yourself with industry regulations, such as the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration (FMCSA) rules, to ensure you're operating within the law. Next, you'll want to create a solid business plan. Outline your goals, target market, and the services you'll offer. Consider whether you'll be working with owner-operators, small fleets, or large carriers. A well-thought-out business plan will not only help you stay organized, but also attract potential investors and partners. With a business plan in hand, it's time to register your business. Choose a unique and memorable name, and then register it with the appropriate state agency. You'll also need to obtain an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS for tax purposes. Don't forget to research any necessary permits or licenses required in your state to operate a truck dispatch business. Setting up an efficient office space is crucial for a successful truck dispatch business. Invest in reliable communication equipment, such as phones, headsets, and computers. You'll also need dispatching software to help manage your operations, track shipments, and maintain records. Make sure to have a reliable internet connection and a backup plan in case of technical issues. Now that your office is set up, it's time to build a team. Hire experienced dispatchers who understand the industry and have excellent communication skills. Remember, your dispatchers will be the face of your business, so choose wisely. Provide ongoing training and support to ensure your team stays up to date with industry trends and regulations.
Finally, market your business to attract clients. Build a professional website, create social media profiles, and join industry forums to connect with potential customers. Attend trucking events and conferences to network with carriers and owner-operators. Offer competitive rates and excellent customer service to stand out from the competition. Starting a truck dispatch business in the USA can be a rewarding and profitable venture. By following these steps, understanding the industry, and staying committed to providing top-notch services, you'll be well on your way to success. Good luck on your journey, and we hope this video has provided valuable insights to help you thrive in the world of truck dispatching.